Now, another great thing with this system, if you go to your music, click a tune there. I'm going to turn it down, but you see there at the bottom, if I click on that, iPhone, speakers, Kia Motors, so any audio that comes through this phone, if I have this set right, it will play through the JBL speakers in here. So what we do now, we go to media, click media. That's on Bluetooth audio. Again, if I turn this up, I turn that up and then I turn this up. There you go. If it doesn't play immediately, you see there media with the arrow, we'll click that, and it would have been set to one of the other things. It'll be on USB or iPod or auxiliary, but you just click Bluetooth audio and that's it. That's how you do it.